Good morning, babe. Good morning. Here, I prepared breakfast for us. Ako lahat may gawain. Alam mo, I was thinking, why don't we go to Tagaytay with Bianca? Kasama ni Mama. It's been a while na rin naman kasi. Diba? She like that. Aiza, pakigising nga si Bianca, please.
No need. Wala si Bianca ngayon.
Wala siya?
Pumunta si Mama kanina dito. Namimiss na daw niya si Bianca, dadalhin daw niya sa amusement park.
Bakit? Bakit hindi ko alam? Well, I guess okay na din na wala si Bianca. Para makakoncentrate tayo for the party this Saturday.
Party? Anong party yan?
May pinadala si Uncle Paul sa atin ng invitation from the Smith Corporation. May very important announcement daw sila. I wonder what the suspense is all about.
May clue ka ba? Wala naman ako narinig ng projects. Although, I think he was acquiring some restaurants.
Or maybe, just maybe, i-a-announce niya na kung sino yung successor niya. Retiring age naman siya.
Hanap na ba niya yung pizza?
I don't know. I hope not. Tsaka ako lang naman ang dapat na maging next CEO at owner ng Smith Corporation. Walang pwedeng makaagaw sa akin ng posisyon na yun. Lalong-lalo na yung bastarda niyang anak. Anyway, what I have to do now is to prepare a really, really nice gown for that special event.
Action. Cut.